To some extent, a little different, but not totally. Acting is acting. Of course, the technique is slightly different because in films we have lots of more long shot, atmosphere, outdoor. In television, you have more of close work. Technically, you are more inside the sets and all because television has no time to go on outdoor locations and all that because it's a daily ongoing kind of work. So films has a much more outdoor feel. Scenes could be placed in the garden, could be in restaurants. Television में ज़्यादातर they try to contain it.
Do you feel restricted?
Not really. Yes, but as you know, one thing that the way they take, for example, like when we're shooting a scene, they will be taking reactions from 4 different angles and they'll be zooming and trolling and all. In films, they don't do that. If there's a close-up, they take a close-up and it's a reaction and that's it. In television, so my director said, hold kariye expression, hold kariye, hold like you're like this. They're going zoom, 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 zoom from all sides. So that I'm still getting used to it. So that happens more in television.
How do you interact with Crystal and the way you interact with her? I mean, is it like being home?
Well, Crystal is probably one of the kids who would be probably my kid's friend or this generation. So her attitude is very bubbly, she's full of life, she's very positive and I do feel that she's a very bright girl, very bottom girl. So that's very nice. She's not one of those bratty types who has attitude. She's very respectful yet very friendly and it's a very comfortable equation. So I'm enjoying working with it. I would be very uncomfortable if it was some spoiled brat I had to shoot with a daily basis. She's a very nice sweet girl.
You and Suraj Mankar work together in what is it?
The perfect husband and the perfect wife to play
So, I mean, now what so it's like coming home.
Yeah, there's a lot of comfort with him too. And in most of my relationships of work or on work, I feel respect is one of the very primary, for me, important things. And I feel that between our friendship and our working relationship, there's a lot of consideration and respect for each other. So I know that I've known his brother, his mother, his wife, everybody. So I feel that he's a person who's a very, very nice human being. He's concerned when we are shooting together. You're not feeling well. That's not only towards me, towards most people on the set. So those things are very important. When you want to spend 10 hours a day with somebody for 6 days in a week, you need to have a comfortable relationship and consideration for each other.
So the same thing about you, was it? Even when you were on a play and stuff like that, when you went to America for the first shoot, for your first play and things like that, in their first play, so you took care of everyone, like right from what they wanted to do and what you order especially.
No, that for me is a part of the way. If 5 people are eating on the table with me, I put food in everybody's plate. Sometimes hum le lenge. I say no, that's my habit. I like to feed everybody. I like to look after them. So that's just something which is a personality type. I think I can't sit down and eat mera. I want to share it with everybody.
Everyone said that it's about new idea. Do you something relatable to the character?
Well, the only way I relate to the character is the simplicity of a woman. Internally and externally, anybody can have any persona. You can be a film star, you can be a politician, you can be an engineer, you can be a doctor. But inherently, if you are a simple-hearted person, your choices and your chance of being happy is much more. The more complicated you are, the less you are likely to be happy. You're going to be unhappy because everything is going to be an issue with you. This one said this one is doing this. Why complicate life? I personally believe in that. Be happy, let everybody be happy in their own space. So I think this character has that is our similarity. I'm basically inherently a very simple person. Exteriorly, I might as a profession be a film actor or a film star. I might have a certain persona. But I think till you have a certain amount of inner simplicity, you cannot be happy.
After being a star in movies, do you feel
when many years ago I did my first television, I was told by people that coming into television is like a step down for a film star. It gives the impression that you are out of work, that's why you're coming into television. But today I think that equation has gone away and that perception is also changing, because work is work after all, and the reach which television has, I think, is way beyond. People have to buy a ticket and go and see a movie, but television comes into their home and they get endeared, the character gets endeared to the whole family if it works well. And that bonding, I don't think films can create, because film for 2 hours, out of your mind, the next film comes there. Television is there every day, and the whole person, the kind of feedback and love and respect I got through Bigg Boss, which is a show normally which people lose their respect. I didn't expect that. For me, it was a major eye-opener. I did it for fun because everybody said that, will you do it? And I kept saying for 2 years. The third season, I said, okay, I'll do it. More so because I somewhere realized that my kids' generation didn't know me at all. Everybody over 30 knew me, but the 15 years and 14 years and 12 years didn't know who I was. So I said, hey, this is a nice way to connect with the new generation. I feel so. One of my friends was telling me a very cute incident. She said they were going to Pune on a bus, and they show movies, I believe, in these long distance buses. And she said I was sitting, and suddenly one kid said, some film of mine was showing. Mama, Poonam ji. One little kid knew me because they called me Poonam ji in that show. So that kid didn't know my name was Poonam Dhillon. He only knew me as Poonam ji. So it was very sweet, that little kid of 6-7 years old could relate to me. He knew me as a person, and that I felt wherever I went after that. People knew me from Bigg Boss more than my movies. This generation, so it was nice. It was a very good thing. My son just told me 2 days back. I asked him, "Aap logon ne promo dekhe hai, nahi dekhe hai?" He says, "Yeah, we saw it." And then he told me, "Mom, my daughter," he said, her eyes welled up when she saw it, and she was like teary-eyed. That was the word he used. She was teary-eyed when she saw it. So I was like, okay, why? It's a happy show, but still, it's overwhelming for their kids to see even their mother being shouted at or being this thing on screen. But it's a character there I think we'll be proud of ultimately. It's a very interesting character. Oh God. Thank you, that's so sweet.
Seriously, when I came and I saw you, I was like,
that's so sweet and kind of you to say that. No, I don't think so, but yes, over the years people have seen me, and I started my career very young, so people suddenly expect she's been working for 30 odd years, so they do their calculations and she must be really old. But well, we started working very young, and I think young at heart with the young kids, and you grow up with time with the kids. I literally feel I've grown up with my kids, so it's good fun.
what is Christmas and New Year?
Christmas, work. Agar inka bus chale to New Year would also be work, but then I had to prioritize my kids, and I said I need to take those 3 days off, my time with my child. So I will be spending time with my family.
So